Hey there, everybody. Thomas with Basecamp Trading. It is Tuesday, February 19th, and we're going to take a look at gold here and what's going on with this market. Now, if you've been in the trading room, you know we have been long gold since last week, since right down here at 13.13, and it is continuing to run. We're still long with part of the position now. That being said, we're getting pretty extended, so it's time to be taking profits. Now, why did we take the long and what's happened since then? Well, we took the long because first off, we had gold in compression. Overall, we were in an upward trending market, but we went into compression here. We ran the stops at the lows, turned around and closed up. So we were buying as soon as that bar closed up. This turned and just took off and broke out of the compression to the upside. Now, if you recall, one of the big things we had been watching was whether or not we could close above 1321, and we ended up closing above 1321 on Friday and have proceeded to continue to accelerate ever since. Now, one of the reasons we got such a big move to the upside here is we had multiple time frames start triggering. So the shorter time frame turned into a longer time frame, and we went all the way out to the weeklies here, and you can see how we had what's called a bull flag on the weekly price chart, which is up, lower highs, momentum staying bullish on the histograms. We break the previous weekly high and that triggers, and then away we go and we spike to the roof here. So it ended up playing out really, really well to the upside. But with that being said, one thing to pay attention to is the longer time frames, because if you have a shorter time frame trade like a 240 like we were looking at with bonds, and then that turns in and triggers the dailies, which turns in and triggers the weeklies, you can end up getting a market that kind of runs away like this and just really takes off and launches through the roof. So pay attention to how a shorter time frame will trigger into a longer time frame. And remember, the bigger the time frame we're looking at, the bigger the expected move from that market from that setup when it triggers. All right. So that is it for today. I hope it helps. I will see you all in the trading room bright and early tomorrow morning. And until next time, everybody, don't forget to like and subscribe, and happy trading.